everyone, Jaymes Mansfield bringing you yet another video. Alright you guys, so this is like a PSA video for you all. Public service announcement for all you folks who own wigs. Now say you performed your life out for, a number or something. You sweated up your wig, it's all gross, it's all tangled. This is our way of reviving a wig without having to do like a long steaming or washout process. For the girls, I'm like, the go. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna take yourself a wig that you've really shown a lot of love to. This one is my Green with Envy wig. I've worn this hair in a couple videos and I've performed in it an awful lot. So it's gotten a lot of love. And as you can see, she is all teased down. She's tangled. She's got flyaways, but there's still sort of a nice curl pattern. And I could see something in this that can be revived. Now, not all wigs can be revived, but if you isn't a pretty decent shape and it's just really, really tangled, you probably can get something out of it. So let's put her on the head. All right, here we go. Put that on there and let's clasp it on. Try your best not to get any hairs caught up in it. One thing you're gonna have to really be careful of is it's probably already have a lace cut. So we're gonna have to be very, very cautious of where we place our needles. Otherwise, it's gonna pierce through the lace and rip it even further and you could tear the lace up to the hairline, which is horrible. You don't wanna deal with that. So we're gonna be very, very careful, almost like we're doing brain surgery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna examine our wig and see what we can do with it. Now, as I drag my fingers through it, it's very difficult to get my fingers through because it's teased out and it's been worn a lot. So sweat, heat, and all that will just make up, a lot of, build up a lot of hatred in your hair. And you can tell the hair resents you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dig through and take out any bobby pins we have put into it. Like this one, I did a half up, half down. So which probably means I have lots of teasing to take out. And we are gonna transform this wig today. Okay, now this wig I actually have had since I kind of started doing drag, honestly. It's been through a lot of iterations. It was green hair I wore for a video I did with a Kat Von D lipstick that Kat Von D herself shared. And then I teased it really badly and then had to cut it. And now it's the shape it is now. I've probably re-teased and styled this one at least 10 times. But I have to say, with these synthetic wigs from Amazon, do not, sleep on them because some of them are actually pretty good. You probably can get a lot of uses out of them. Okay, now I'm taking a detangler brush, like one of these guys. And we're just gonna start our way from the bottom and work it up and try and take out all that teasing. All right, you're honestly gonna keep brushing through it until the brush goes through it effortlessly. Got some of that teasing from the top. And as I can see here, I have some really bad teasing from the past in here that is just lodged into this hair. So I'm gonna have to really dig up in there and get it out. It's like teasing from way back when I bought this wig 4 years ago. And to say that I still have a wig in this condition after 4 years is pretty remarkable. I'm sure a lot of you probably do, you just don't know what to do with it. This wig has been sitting in a bag in my closet for a solid amount of months now because I haven't worn it since that Beauty Guru Witch video. And it just kind of sat in storage, piled in with a bunch of other wigs. So, needless to say, when I dug it out and dusted it off and took a look at it, I thought, I could do something with this hair. All right, time to restyle it. Here we go. Just lower it so it's at my level. And we're gonna go in with our brush. And let's go through with our fingers first and see what this hair is telling us. Okay. It's basically saying burn me, but you know what? We're not gonna do that today. We're not gonna listen to that. We're gonna find a style in this hair. Now there's some inconsistent lengths here that I cut into it from, not really knowing much about layering. I can see something pretty emerging like that. Like a lot of that, and then something like this maybe. There's a lot of story happening here. The lengths are kind of inconsistent, but we're gonna work with it. Okay, I think I know what we're gonna do. I'm seeing some cute waves in this hair still. Oh my gosh, look at those waves I did. Not bad for, first starting out. Okay. I'm getting so much old hairspray on my face. This is why you wash the hair before you tease it. Okay, let's do the other side. And I'm not gonna make the same mistakes I made last time where I teased hair from coming from different sections because that's gonna affect the way it looks. I'm getting nice clean sections and just working that down. an organized tease. That is a classy tease. Like the kind of tease you find at like a theater, not the Crazy Horse. Okay. Taking some more hair, we're just gonna work through it and tease this girl down. Okay, I'm gonna tease the rest of this off camera and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Let me get through this first. Welcome back. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh, she's like a bush. Okay, we're gonna take this girl and we're gonna try and get some sense out of her now because she is a nice teased mess. Whoosh. Like the top of a tree. Okay, I'm gonna slowly start trying to smooth out something from this because the original story I had planned, turns out after teasing it, it all went out the window. How about that? But that'll happen when you get into doing a wig. Sometimes your original plan is not gonna be what you decide to do. Oh my goodness, she's looking like one of the things from Cat in the Hat. Take it off like that and just start brushing through. Okay, I think I see where I like it. Okay, I like where it's going now. All right, let's go through and just try and get some sense out of the back now. Because the back is just one big bubble of tease. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do anything with it, but we'll see. We'll try and get it as smooth as possible. Okay, now all I'm doing is just trying to structure a little bit of style into this front section with the little bit of hair that I have, because I made a mistake of cutting it way too much when I was like cutting it before. So the lengths are a little inconsistent, so I have to double up on the hairspray and the teasing in order to get it to work properly. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more time with it. All right, she is done. She is all styled. I'm gonna go off camera, do some finishing touches, and then put it right on my head, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. Oh my gosh. She is a swampy glamour green. Oh my goodness. We're going green, folks. Just kidding, just kidding. The amount of hair products I use, I could never. Oh my gosh, I love it. See, this is why you should never give up on old wigs. Now, this wig is legit about 4 years old. It has been stored in a bag. It has been teased, it has been abused. And like I said, the more used and abused a wig is, usually the more fabulous and poofed out hair you can get from it. You never know what kind of sickening tease you can get because the hair will just do whatever you say at this point. It is broken. So, this wig is gorgeous, but it's just missing one more thing. The Jaymes Mansfield Midwest Morning After Wig Spray by Black Phoenix Alchemy Lab. Just take that off. Oh, those wafts of cream soda all up in my nostrils and all inside of this hair. Getting rid of that nasty hairspray smell and leaving nothing behind but the Midwest Morning After. Available at blackphoenixalchemylab.com. Also available are wigs styled by me, so if you want to own a wig like this one, be sure and check out my website and find out more information. And if you like this video, why not get one of your very own? My cameo is listed down below. I'll say just about anything within reason. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!
Click here to see our latest episodes of Queens of the Ring, where me and Sylvia discuss our top 5 fantasy AEW signings. You know you want to click it. Come on. Or watch me make over Pearl's LaDonna doll by Kid Robot. Come on, click it. You know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll abduct you in the middle of the night and forcefully balayage your hair. So click it.